Kids Club. How are you today? Welcome to Circle Time. My name is Miss Porter. So how you doing? Are you doing well? What's the weather like outside of your home today? It's a little gloomy outside, but it's still a good day and we're still going to have fun. So I'm asking you to come out and play and learn with us. And my students today are Rayleigh and Raylan. So are y'all ready to have some fun? Rayleigh and Raylan? Good. So am I. Let's start off with a song. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, time to learn, time to learn. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, welcome to circle time. Let's sing it again, okay? I try to put we gotta put our, get the willies out, put our little motions in body. We gotta wake up, okay? Let's wake up, because it's morning time. Let's sing again. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, time to learn, time to learn. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, welcome to circle time. Okay, did you like that song? Let's sing it together. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, time to learn, time to learn. Welcome to class, it's time to learn, welcome to circle time. All right, so now we have our vocal cords warmed up. So now we're going to turn on our listening and our thinking skills, okay? So today's class, we are going to draw the letter A. Now, we went over the alphabets, but now we're going to draw some of the alphabets. And the first letter in the alphabet is the letter A. So I'm going to use my white erase board. And if you have paper or newspaper or notepad, anything that you can draw on, anything but your mommy's wall. Do not draw on your family's walls, okay? So we're going to draw the letter A. So how we start with the letter A, which is the first letter of the alphabet, we're going to do a line. See that? One line. And then we're going to draw and start at the tip. Now you notice this line is a little slant. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So because we're just learning. And then we're going to draw another line. And it's kind of like a TP, or you could say it's kind of like an upside down V. And now we're going to draw a line, which we're going to call that a bridge across. And that is the letter A. You see that? So let's do it again. Line. Now when you're holding your pencil, I want you to hold it between your thumb and your finger, like your pinches. See, these are, I call these your little pinchers. And you're going to hold it really tight but comfortably. See how I'm holding it? So let's do it again. Line. We're going to trace over this one. Another line. And a bridge. And that is the letter A. Now, since we are learning, why don't we just make lines? You can also just make lines until you get comfortable with making an actual alphabet. So let's do a line. See? That's easy. Just up and down, up and down, up and down. See? These are lines. This is just going to get you comfortable with writing. See? And then you got to stop at a certain point. Don't just keep going down, down, down. You got to stop. See? Up, up, down, stop. See? All right. Let's erase that. Now let's do some more of a mama A, which is the larger A. See, that was the larger A. Now we're going to do the baby A. All right, so the baby A is just a circle and then a line on the side. See? Backwards. That sure is backwards. That's what I thought too. How the preschool teacher don't know how to write the alphabet? Upside down. Anoint my eyes, Father God. Okay, let's do it again. We're going to do a circle. I'm just going to make it larger so you can see. Now, for some of you, it's going to be very hard to do a circle. But just remember, you're just going to go round and stop. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just go round and stop. And then you're going to just put a line on the side of that A. See? A line on the side of that circle, which is a baby A. Now, does it look perfect? No, it doesn't look perfect. And neither does yours have to be perfect. But as long as you're trying, the easier it'll become. And then you'll be writing your alphabets in no time. See, I made a little one. See, I like to make, sometimes I like to write a little smaller, but sometimes you can write larger. Can you see that? Let's do a larger baby A. Circle and stop. See? Let's do it again. Circle and stop. Let me show you how to start a circle. So it doesn't even, some of my students over the years, they do theirs like this. They'll do a half of a circle. And then they just draw the line on. So, you know, it still looks like an A, but it's just a different way of doing it. You'll do a half of a circle and stop. However, you can do a full circle and then just add the line on. So there's different ways of writing your alphabet, but you want to make sure that that people can understand what you're writing. And you take your time and you must practice, practice, practice. And yes, it gets a little difficult, but the more you practice, the more easier it gets. Okay? Now let's go on to another alphabet. Let's make the letter B. So a B is a line and then a half a circle and another half a circle. Now, I know I'm going a little fast, but what you do, like I keep saying, you just keep practicing. You're not going to get it perfect the first time. Miss Porter, when she was trying to learn how to write, she did not write her letters perfect, and she had to practice, practice, practice. But the more you practice, the better you get at it, okay? So let's do this again. This is the letter B, which is a line, and then a half a circle, and another half a circle. B. Okay, let's do another one. A line, a half a circle, stop, and another half a circle, stop. And that is the letter B. Now, I'm going to draw it one more time, the large letter B, and then we're going to do a baby B, okay? Line. See how I did the line? Up, down, line. Okay. Do half a circle, stop. And then the second half a circle is a little larger. And another half a circle, B. And also, you can write multiple times on your paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, I'm erasing on my erase board, but you can just keep writing. That's why I told you to get like paper, get you a lot of paper, because you're just practicing. And then the more that you practice, the easier it becomes. So you don't have to erase. I hope you're not out there trying to erase this. just keep starting over somewhere else new. That's what paper is for. So now let's do it again. Line straight up and down. Stop. A half a circle. And another half a circle. B. Okay? Now, let's draw a baby bee. Let's do a baby bee. So a baby bee is, oh, Miss Porter's line is a little crooked. Let me erase that. And it's okay if your line's a little crooked. But since I'm showing you, let me start over. Okay, so a line. And then he has one little belly at the bottom. See? A small half a circle. Okay? Let's do that one again. Line. And a small little belly at the bottom. Okay? Let's do it again. Line. And a small little belly at the bottom, which is another half a circle. I should say half a circle so you can understand it. Let's do it again. Line. Small half a circle. Okay? This is a baby bee. Okay. Very good. You are doing so good. Do not get frustrated. It's okay. You got to learn. You have to keep practicing. And the more you do it, the easier it'll become. All right? We're going to do one more letter of the alphabet today, and that's going to be the letter C. Okay? Now, the C is just a half a circle. So let's do a mama C. Half a circle. See? Do it again. C. Half a circle. Okay? I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to do a baby C, a small C. Okay? Start here. Remember, you're not doing a line. You're going to curve it. Half a circle. Now, to get you comfortable with making C's or curving your lines, you can just do this on your paper. Just do like an upside down smile. See? It's like a smile, but it's like, I would say, not upside down, I would say sideways. Okay? Just do this. Just half a circle. Half of a circle. You do that on your paper. Okay? We're going to do a larger one. And you know, we always call these mama C's. We're going to call this one a papa C. Okay? Let's do it again. Let's do a large papa C. Okay? That's a half a circle, stop. See? And look, it's not even perfect. See, mine's not even perfect. It's a little wobbly. See? See, you got a little large wobbly belly. Let me just trace over them again. So it doesn't have to be perfect. All right? And writing is exercise for your fingers. And then the more you write, the older you get, you start writing words. You go from letters, you're going to make words, and you write sentences. And then some of you are going to be writing. So, well, I'm just going to say all of us. We write in everyday life. Some of us are going to write to be doctors. We're going to write to be policemen. You can write to be a race car driver. You know, you can write to do anything. So you have to learn how to write, but the more you practice, the more easier it will become. All right? So let's do a baby C, which is a smaller half a circle. See? A smaller half a circle. Half a circle, stop. You can put a lot of these on your paper. Half a circle, stop. See? Mine isn't perfect. Some people do this. They do it like that. Put a little hat on the C. Now I'm just going to show you different versions, which is one simple, which is this one. See? Half a circle, stop. These are baby C's, okay? Baby C's. Half a circle, stop. See? Now, did you enjoy that writing lesson today? I am so proud of you too. You did so good learning how to write your alphabets. And you get a good job. Good job today on writing those alphabets. I know that was very challenging, but the more you practice, the better you learn, the easier it will become. Okay? So good job.